Hi everybody, I'm happy to see you here again. Today, we are finding an option to be rich fast or to be wealthy fast. Everybody wants to be wealthy. The only difference is the wealthy people have something that we do not have, which is the knowledge and the mindset to become wealthy. I come across a program that I find that is very useful for us. I was very skeptical at first. However, I'm going to share with you what I discovered so far. This particular program is called Total Money Magnetism. It's written by Dr. Steve Jones. And basically today I'm going to share with you my honest review about this product. Okay, this product, one of the good features is this. It comes with a money back guarantee, which means to say if you try this program, for any reasons you don't find it successful or useful, you can ask for a refund. And it's very effective because he's a doctor and many of his customers have already tried this program and proved to be very successful. And it's only $47. Can you imagine paying $47 to gain a valuable knowledge to help you to get rich fast? It comes with freebies and also comes with a first month free membership. Thereafter it's $37 if you decide to be a member. So what I like about this program is basically it is risk-free. You pay $47, test it out, don't like it for any reason, 60 days later you can ask for a refund. Okay, I've written an article on this and I've put a link below. You can just click on the link to find out more about this product. My web page also comes with a video about him. So basically you can click on the video to understand a little bit more if you want to about how the program actually works. Okay, so basically this program comes with this different skills, different steps you need to do. So you just need to follow the program in a step-by-step method, right? You can actually reach the stage you want. That means how lucky you want to be is basically, you just basically need to follow the program. Okay, so this package includes this thing as mentioned over here. As listed here, these are the items. So again, I've put the link below. You can actually click on the link to read more on this if you want to. Okay, and this is the review, the pro and the cons about this product. Okay, so basically I mentioned it's risk-free. The author is a doctor. It comes with a step-by-step process. There's direct support to the author because there's a membership area, and the cost to entry is very low. The cons is there's no phone support, and in order for you to succeed in this program, you need to go through this program. And the most important thing from this program is you must allow him to change your mindset. That's the most important part. Okay, there's also a video link below, so you can click on the video link whereby you can go to, you'll be linked to his web page whereby you can do a few more things if you want to. You can take a quiz, or you can even download the free book, the free ebook from his website as well. So again, the link is below. You can use for more information. You can look at my article, or you can click this and link to his video. Either way, you can come to this web page. So basically, I just want to emphasize that this program is risk-free. Just imagine if you pay $47 and you know you'll win the big lottery. I'm sure you will pay $47 for it. So this is the exact mindset I have when I first come across this program, and I'm actually in the infant stage of learning this, just the beginning stage. But I'm sure I'm very confident that as long as I continue to learn, I will be able to achieve the result I want. And I hope to share with this as many people as possible because it's risk-free and it's only $47. And this is actually written by a doctor. And he's actually a well-known person if you know, just Google his name. So with this, I would like to end my presentation. If you have any questions, you can also leave on the link below. Or if you have any comments, you can also share the comments and I'll be more than happy to reply them. And just before I leave, these are the experts that have used Total Money Magnetism, and all these are their reviews. Okay, that's all I want to say. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead. Goodbye.